My sister's soccer practice outside. My dad's coaching football outside. The flowers are blooming with that 60-degree weather we had earlier. And it's snowing. I can't zoom in on the camera because I got gloves on, but did you just see that? Dang, oh, there it goes off. Look at blowing snow. Oh, so cold. Should not be like 24 degrees on March 15th. But this is Wisconsin. So you're gonna get anything. If we had this starting at 3 o'clock, there would probably be so much more snow. Which I'm so glad. I hope I just don't have to shovel. As long as this doesn't stick to the sidewalks, I think it'll be good. If it does... live in Wisconsin. Everything's already white. Everything. I'm just... Hopefully this is the last snowstorm. I'm tired of this. Stay breath outside. It's really cold. Oh. You guys want to be on ground level? This is ground level. It's literally an instant white roof. You gotta be flipping kidding me. Come on. This is supposed to be spring. More sloped roof, and it's not exactly white yet. But oh no, I don't like this weather. I don't. It's gonna be in the 50s and 60s next week. Can't believe it's snowing. Can't believe it. At least we're not getting 6 inches. Hopefully, we can still get it. Just see when the storm ends. Hopefully it's done soon. I'm tired of this. Even though it's been going on for like 20 minutes. I still hasn't been able to make it to the ground. It was like too warm for it to do that, so that's why. Even though I swear it's been warmer and the snow made it to the ground. I don't know why, but it's snowing. Not what I want. I was fine with it not making it to the ground. But I guess I had a white Christmas before winter was fully over. Maybe I should probably secure this on a little bit better. The foot just flew in my teeth. My legs are cold. I just have jeans. So yes, it's cold. My coat's getting snowy. That's good to know. I'm going inside soon because it lives in daylight, but actually we're gonna make it to the front of my house. Unless this was like during the day, I would take my scooter out to like Main Street right there. But it's not. Sunset. It's about 7 o'clock. I gotta get to editing today's YouTube video, so we're gonna be going somewhere else. Oh my god. Oh, March in Wisconsin is planted. Warm up plus hail snowstorms. Which I don't want. Nobody wants. Luckily it's not sticking like the sidewalks. There's so snow left over. We have a pile of snow still. Nobody's gonna see the address. Weren't we just back here 10 minutes ago? This is the snow we saw left over. This is ice, so look. It's literally ice. And then that's the snow. Just a little pile of snow starting right here. Oh! I'm gonna keep kicking it. I can't. Okay, that's enough. Time to go back to the weather. Why I hate Wisconsin. Snow sticking in the patio cracks. Snow sticking on top of the grill. The snow is not sticking on the tulips. No, it is. The tulips are coming up. And the other tulips are coming up. And the other tulips are coming up. And the other tulips are coming up. And the tiger lilies are coming up. And it's snowing. It's really windy. It's been windy all day. It's also really windy yesterday. But it's physically winter all over again. It was all last year on April 15th. It was like this. And in about 20 minutes, we had about a quarter inch of dusting. Half inch of dusting everywhere. And it disappeared. Still pretty busy street. It's right off the Capitol. I'll put the snow down there, and it starts fading and fading. Oh yeah, and that cap can like fly away. Trust me, it's flown away. It just sits. Oh wait, that's not even a cap anymore. I forgot. It flew away. Oh, looks like it flew away again. It was on here earlier today, and looks like it flew away today. So yeah, but sometimes flies away. It just looks like this. And here's the cap right now. No, it's obviously just gonna fly away. It just sits on here. This thing is just such a wreck. It's easy catch wind. It doesn't even sit on here really properly anymore. Let's go see it if it flies away. Oh, the street light's on. Hey! I'm gonna go inside soon. Oh yeah, and that branch is still broken. Can you see it? It's right there. That branch is still broken from last November. Well, from November 1st, 2020. Oh yeah, and the snow is blowing them out. That's why it's so uneven. I think it's done sticking though, which I think that's enough wintry black. I'll update you guys if we get more snow tonight. But showing you guys it tomorrow. Obviously, I'm gonna crop off the sunless video, so yeah. Oh, whoa. Okay, peace out. I'm going inside. It's hay out here.